Customizing the style of your Lucidchart shapes allows you to add a layer of information to your diagram, provide clarity to your projects, and of course, uplevel the professionalism of your work. So let's get into it. Most edits to your shape's appearance will be made in the Properties bar above the canvas. To change the color of a shape, click on the shape you want to add color to, then use the Fill Color button up in the Properties bar to choose your colors. There are standard colors to choose from, or you can use an eyedropper tool to pull a specific color from another shape. For a more custom color palette, you can select the color wheel icon to open a library where you can enter a hex code if necessary. These same rules apply when it comes to creating a border for your shapes. You can change the perimeter of your shapes, adjust the thickness, or you can take it a step further and change the style of the line. Add text to provide clarity to the different parts of your diagram. Editing text is as easy as double-clicking the center of the shape. After typing the label you'd like, use the Properties bar to customize the font, color, size, and style of the text, as well as the alignment adjustments and the spacing between the lines. Next to the text icon is the Shape Options button, which will allow you to customize your shape in a lot of really cool ways. Here, you'll find more precise control over the size and rotation of shapes, as well as the ability to flip them, round your shape's corners, change the opacity of a shape, or use the Shadow tab to add more dimension. To make changes to more than one shape at a time, drag your mouse over all the shapes you want to change so that they're all highlighted. From here, the style changes you make in the Properties bar will be applied to the group of shapes. Now, if you want to match the size of multiple shapes, while your group of shapes are highlighted, right-click on one of the shapes and select Match Size. Then choose Height and Width, and watch as your group of shapes will adjust to match each other in height and width. If you want to set a specific style for your diagram shapes to follow, set a default style to help you work more efficiently. Start by clicking on a blank space on your canvas to unselect any shapes or objects. Then change the styles on the Properties bar while nothing on the canvas is selected. Once you've set the new default style, every shape you drag from your toolbox will be customized to the settings you just created. If you've already taken the time to create a diagram, but you realize that you need to change a shape from the original one you chose, right-click on the shape and select Change Shape. This will open a library on your canvas that will allow you to choose a new shape to replace the old one. Using these shape styling tips and tools will help you work more efficiently as you set out to bring clarity to complex ideas and think visually with Lucidchart.